What's up, ladies and gentlemen, Prince of Man here with Quick Homes Rwanda, bringing you yet another video tour. Today we are doing something completely different. We are touring this apartment building. It's called Rose Garden Private Apartments and it's located in Nyarutarama, Kigali, in a very perfect location. Nyarutarama is one of the luxurious and safest location in Kigali. You have embassies here, restaurants, so many different things over here. The apartment building is comprised of 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment units and also 3-bedroom, 3-bath apartment units. They are flexible and have various options. You can rent them, you can buy them. Those that are interested in renting, it rents for a day starting from $100, or a month. On the 2-bedroom apartments, it rents out for $2,100 per month, and for the 3 bedrooms you have $3,100 per month. And for those interested in buying them, they are available starting from $88,000 up to $141,000. There's a wide range of options available. Kindly check all those details in the description down below. Not forgetting, please consider subscribing if you're new here. We post content like this on a regular basis, and also if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. The tour today is going to be different. I'm going to be narrating through the video and just giving you a little bit of reference of what we'll be seeing. We start down here from the parking lot. You can see this particular apartment building has a large parking lot that extends all the way on the front of it and also on the right of it. It's large, it can accommodate so many cars. And also from the parking lot heading to the reception, you are greeted by these large glass doors that just brings in a lot of natural light, and a very nice looking reception desk with nice light fixtures that is just very unique and different. And also reminded of which building you're in with these Rose Garden letterings in gold. From the reception desk, we head to the left of this side, whereby you have access of the stairs to the upper floors or the lift to the upper floor. We take the lift, which is also beautiful with this gold color touch, and heading to the first floor where we're gonna be seeing these options. Entering this corridor, we first start with this 2-bedroom and 2-bath apartment unit, and this particular unit has just everything in it. Every single apartment here has lots of storage space, lots of natural light entering, beautiful and quality stuff throughout the apartment. The setup has a fridge just right here, a TV next to it, a nice sofa just to enjoy comfortably your TV, beautiful artwork and different light fixtures. Specifically, that centerpiece over there is just very unique and very beautiful. Transitioning from that end, we head to this particular setup of a dining area. You have 4 seats and a beautiful light fixture on the top. You have this little kitchenette, and then from the kitchenette we head to the first room. This room is self-contained. Entering the room, the first thing that strikes you is how much natural light you get. You have a lot of natural light, and also the setup is pretty simple. You have a beautiful bed, a nice artwork on the wall, high enough ceilings. You have your ironing board over there and a storage compartment over there, and you have this nice touch right here whereby you can sit and enjoy the view, just enjoy all about it, meditate, have a good time. You have a closet just to store more stuff. From the bedroom we head to the bathroom. The bathroom is full, it's a full bathroom. You have your towel rack over here. The walk-in tub has a rain head and a hand wash. You have a nice shampoo niche over here, built-in shampoo niche, a floating vanity and a faucet, and a smart mirror just right over there. From this bathroom we head back to the living room, whereby we are now gonna see the next second bedroom. The second bedroom is located on the other side of the apartment. It's just perfectly located because you have the benefit of the view, which is just amazing. Again, so much natural light entering this particular bedroom, ceilings that are high enough. A beautiful view. You have a really beautiful view and a simple setup of a one-person bedroom. And also beautiful touch of artworks. And from this bedroom we head to the shared bathroom. This bathroom is also full. And it's located close to the entrance. And this full bath also has a floating vanity, a smart mirror, a walk-in tub, a towel rack, and also an automatic toilet. From this particular bathroom we head to the final piece of this particular unit, which is the private balcony that you have. It can sit two, but it just has the benefit of a beautiful view that extends from the Nyarutarama side all the way. You can see the golf course over there all the way to the city center. It's just one of the beautiful views you can have in Kigali. And this particular spot concludes all that there is about this particular apartment, reminding you renting it goes for $2,100 per month, and if you want to buy it, prices start from $88,000, but there are so many different options that are available. Check more to that in the description down below. Exiting from this particular unit, we head now to the 3-bedroom 3-bath apartment that is just right here. The thing that strikes you is just that this apartment is quite bigger than the one we were in, the 2-bedroom apartment. The setup is almost the same, with beautiful light fixtures throughout, nice warm colors. You have a nice sofa setup on the far end with the TV and beautiful artwork. You have enough natural light entering the apartment unit. And also, as I said, a sofa, a TV, ceilings high enough, and beautiful light fixtures. And from the living room, or this particular saloon, we head now to the left, close to the entrance, where you have a dining area and a kitchenette. This kitchenette has more storage units with cabinetry. You have your washing machine over here. You have your faucet, you have your microwave, a cooker right here, different tools that you'll need, glasses, just about everything that you can need in your private kitchen. And from the kitchen and the dining area, we head now to the 2nd bedroom that is also self-contained. You have beautiful natural light entering this particular room. You have a big bed, that can accommodate 2 people. You have a nice artwork. Storage space, your ironing board and the iron. And also on the other edge of the window, you have this beautiful touch that is actually also in this particular apartment, whereby you can sit by the window and just enjoy the view, enjoy some music or a drink. It's just a perfect corner for one to really have a good time. And from the bedroom, we head here. You have a lot of storage space with lots of cabinetry and a closet. And from this particular area, we enter the second full bathroom. The setup is also the same. You have your smart toilet, your walk-in tub with the rain head and the hand wash. You have your shampoo niche over there, and also you have a smart mirror and a towel rack just in here for you to use. And from this bedroom, we head now to the second bedroom, which is located close to the entrance to this particular unit. The bedroom is not self-contained and it's a simple setup. You have a big large bed that can accommodate 2 people, a nice sitting also by the window. You have a nice artwork by the wall, ceilings that are high enough, and also you have a closet just to store your stuff. And from the bedroom, we head now to this second bathroom, which is shared by this room and the living room. So it's a guest bathroom. The setup is also the same. You have a towel rack just here by the walk-in tub. The walk-in tub has a rain head, a hand wash, and also you have your built-in shampoo niche, and also a smart toilet, a floating vanity, a faucet, and a mirror. From this bathroom, we see the shoe rack that is just here in the living room to store your shoes, and head also to the third bedroom, which is self-contained. It's also large and has a beautiful setup. It can host 1 person. Beautiful ceilings that are high enough. Nice artwork, a closet for storage space, and also a beautiful sitting just by the window to enjoy the view. And also a little office just to do some work should you need to. And you also have the similar setup of the bathroom. You have an automatic toilet, a walk-in tub with a rain head and a hand wash, and a built-in shampoo niche, and also your vanity space right there with the faucet and a towel rack. As this is the third bedroom, we go check out the last amazing thing that this particular unit has, and it's the private balcony. The private balcony has a seats for 2 and also has the benefits of just a breathtaking view. Extending all the way from town to the golf course to the Gachuriro area. It's just a beautiful view. And this concludes this tour, reminding you Those that might want to rent or buy this particular apartment units, kindly check the link in the description for more details. And also, if you're new here and you have watched up to here, I really thank you. I appreciate a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed it. And also, if you enjoyed this style of guided tour, let me know so that I continue doing it. And concluding, thank you so much for following through. See you next time.